Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 11. The table below shows the age distribution of the population of a country. So you have the age distribution here, you have age groups and you have the populations. So the question is, from the table above, the dependent population is A 35,000, B 40,000, C 41,000, D 45,000, E 70,000. So the concept we are looking at here is dependent population, and dependent population refers to people between ages 0 to 17 and then ages 61 and above. So in order to get the population that is dependent population for this country, we'll look at the number of people within these age groups. So for 0 to 17 you have 30,000 people, so 30,000 plus 61 and above you have 11,000, so plus 11,000, and if you add that, the answer you get is 41,000. So 41,000 is option C. So C is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.